What's in your mouth?
It's
Hiccups?
You, Parker, do you like the hiccups?
Do you have the hiccups? How do you get rid of the hiccups? You're gonna hiccup? You can't take it out. Yeah. Can you take out the hiccups? Oh, don't do that, please.